How to enable or disable slow keys on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. In accessibility, we tap on interaction and dexterity. Now we scroll down, then tap on slow keys. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now you can also, so here it is. Now once you turn on slow keys, you can also change the time duration. So you can tap on the add or the minus button to increase or decrease the time duration. So you can type here to test. So test sticky keys. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.